Hi there, students. Peckish. Peckish is an adjective. It's informal and this is nearly always British. I think peckish has a different meaning in the US. Let's see. I'm feeling peckish. I'm a bit hungry. I'd like something to eat. Are you feeling peckish at the moment? I'm still a bit peckish. I had a sandwich, but I'm still feeling peckish. Okay, peckish, hungry. Um, So yes, if I'm feeling peckish, I normally have a snack. But if you have a snack before you eat, then it can take away your appetite. Let's see. I normally get up early and I have my breakfast, but normally by about 10:30, I'm feeling peckish again, and I'll have something else to eat. Let's see. Peckish. Apparently, in the US, this word peckish means ill tempered, bad tempered, or grumpy. So be careful who you're saying to it. I'm feeling peckish in the US could end up meaning I'm feeling a bit bad tempered. I'm not very happy about things. But to me, are you peckish? Would you like something to eat? Are you a bit hungry? I mean, peckish is not your absolute meaning you're absolutely starving, but it means you could eat something. Yeah, you can feel that void in your stomach. Okay, as to the origin, well, peckish comes from the verb to peck. A bird pecks, it uses its beak, and I'm sure that's something like picus in Latin, the beak of a bird. So a bird pecks its food, yeah? Birds are pecking at the ground looking for insects, or a woodpecker, this bird that taps the wood or breaks the wood of a tree to find insects. Okay, and so I'm feeling peckish. I'm hungry enough to peck something to eat. Notice he pecked at his food means he didn't eat it with great gusto, with great enthusiasm. He just ate a little bit. Yeah. I'm absolutely ravenous. This is much more than I'm feeling a bit peckish. So when you're feeling peckish, what do you do? Yeah, what do you like to eat? Um, Maybe at tea time I'm peckish and I feel like a couple of biscuits or something like that. So let's see, British, and notice the formality. The formality in this, I'd probably give it 3.5, 3.75 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. Use it down the pub. Are you peckish? Would you like a bag of crisps or something? Okay, so use it in informal settings. Don't use it in a semi-formal or a formal writing. Use a bit hungry or starving or absolutely ravenous or something like that. Okay, so peckish just means a bit hungry, but in British. And I think the Americans might understand this as angry, bad tempered, grumpy, something like that. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Peckish.